Hi, my name's Rachel and I am a mom to two little boys, and my husband is very much into the outdoors and shooting and hunting, and so naturally he got this for our 3-year-old. We quickly realized it was a little too advanced for a 3-year-old, but it is great for young boys playing with their dads, maybe learning safety. It looks very real. It is a toy. It's like super light plastic. But it kind of has given me the jump scare a couple times in the house, but it's completely fake. So I don't want this video to get flagged, so I'm not gonna like show the whole thing all at one time. But I will just give you a rundown of what comes in the product, in the box here. So it comes with 2 of these, and then it comes with 12 of these, and then just a ton of these little orange pieces, which you can load right into there. And then you can load those into here. And then you can put that right into the toy. It does shoot pretty powerfully. I'll do that now. Yeah, it goes pretty far. And then on the second, I don't know if you noticed that, but it ejected the previous little cartridge. But anyways, it's a lot of fun. Good introduction on safety. It's very safe. And then it comes with a few of these for target shooting. So even as a mom, I think this is a fun thing for boys. There's some safety glasses. Or for girls. I mean, I would have enjoyed it a lot as a kid. So anyways, if you're looking at it, I would go ahead and give it a try and have some fun with your kids with it.